So all that remains is for me to get an antenna on this and see if it works. So that's it. So this is an end-fed half-wave from Radio Stuff. I got it off eBay. They've got an eBay shop. Very happy with the components, and it was fairly easy to put together. I think the fiddly bit is definitely winding the toroid. But yeah, nice little job for a rainy day. Yeah, nice one. So I'll put the link to the shop and the website in the description, and I'm going to go and test it. So this is the ultra small end-fed half-wave by Mike 0 Victor Uniform Echo.